Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
No need to panic. Health officials are urging persons to remain calm after Jamaica recorded a case of the H1N1 virus, more commonly known as swine flu.
The virus, which causes mild to serious respiratory illness, is the first such reported case in the country since 2016. Jamaica Maitland has details.
The Southern Regional Health Authority says it's closely monitoring a patient who tested positive for the H1N1 virus, but they insist there's no need for any alarm. Regional Technical Director at the SRHA, Dr. Vitilius Holder, says the patient was tested after showing up to the Mandeville Hospital with respiratory symptoms.
Since the pandemic, the virus has been circulating in the country, and the surveillance system has indicated that we've been seeing occasional cases of these. So therefore, persons with a diagnosis of H1N1 is not anything to be alarmed about at this time.
She explained that it's not uncommon to develop swine flu as respiratory illnesses have increased over the past couple months. What is uncommon, however, is that it's often detected in September, which is the peak season for respiratory illnesses. But Dr. Holder says early detection and treatment is key. Flu vaccines are also available, usually for healthcare officials and those with underlying issues. But the Health Ministry reported take-up has been low.
Within that influenza vaccine, H3N2 as well as H1N1 are the components of those. And so therefore, internationally, we have put it in vaccines just to ensure that persons, if you are at risk of any complications or so on, that we do have it.
The last reported case of swine flu in Jamaica was in January 2016. Before then, it was in 2011, a year after the H1N1 flu pandemic. During that period, several people died from the virus in Jamaica. The regional technical director says by practicing regular hand hygiene and applying the COVID-19 measures, people can reduce the risk and rate of transmission.
We have a tendency, once the numbers in any disease go down, we tend to relax, but the aim should be we have learned that respiratory hygiene is pretty important. So I think moving forward, persons should just continue and not drop. And I think we need to look at how we can make the health promoting habits fun or something that you look forward to. So since this will always be with us, let us just continue to do these so as to reduce our risk, because the diseases are there and we just need to learn from these experiences.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.